Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can play YouTube videos in the background even when your iPhone is locked. So this is a particular method that has worked for me 100% of the time, and you don't have to download any third-party apps, and you also don't have to jailbreak your iPhone as well. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open the Safari app, as unfortunately this method doesn't work on the built-in YouTube app for the iPhone or iPad device. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Safari. So I've already gone ahead and opened youtube.com within the Safari browser. Now once I'm in here, I just have to go to these little A icons located on the top left hand corner of the screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on these, and then I just want to go to request desktop website. Now once I'm here, I can go ahead and play this video. Now as it's playing, I just want to exit out of it. So once you've exited out of Safari, you just have to go ahead and slide up from the bottom to your control panel, or if you're using the iPhone 10 and above, you can simply do the same but from the top to bottom. Now once I'm here, I just want to go ahead and play the video. And there you have it guys, the video is now playing in the background. And now I can go ahead and lock the video. And as you can hear, the video is still playing in the background. So if for whatever reason the video isn't playing in the background, I have noticed if you do exit out of other apps such as Spotify, Apple Music, and also the YouTube app, this can also fix that bug if the video isn't playing. And also if you go back to the video and it's still not loading, I have found it's good to exit out and just go ahead and refresh the video. And then you just want to go ahead and play the video again. And you just want to ensure that the video plays out for a couple of moments, and then you can go ahead and try again. So I'll scroll up from the bottom and then I'll go ahead and press play. She's a real estate agent and I'm a real estate broker. So there you have it guys, that's one of the best and easiest ways on how to play YouTube videos in the background on your iPhone device. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider hitting the thumbs up button and also the subscribe button. And if you'd like to see any other videos like this, please drop an idea down below, as I'll be happy to make more videos for all of you out there. So as always, thanks for watching, I'll see you all in the next one.